Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you another Ganzo knife. As you can see, this is a older style box and we will be talking about the model G7392 CF. So CF stands for carbon fiber. Maybe you recognize this model. It's because I have a few months ago uploaded this model, so 7393 in black, and to be honest, as always, I will comment on the design and also on the knife like previously. And as you can see, if you know a little bit about the knives and the brands, then you will recognize the design. So the design of the knife is from the first look a Benchmade Griptilian. So this is the Benchmade Griptilian, and previously reviewed model 7393, which is a variant in black G10 and black coated blade. So the knife has its heritage obviously taken from the design of the Griptilian. This is a large Griptilian. Benchmade also is producing a small Griptilian. Ganzo, as of 2018, I don't know about that they would offer you a smaller variant of this. And to be strict about the comparison, the Ganzo is a larger knife. So the 7392, this one, is larger than the large Griptilian. The overall length of the Ganzo is 21 centimeters, which is 8.26 inches. The Benchmade is 8.07, so there is the difference. And yes, you can get the Griptilian in different color variations, also with thumb stud and also with extended this type of blade shape. Okay, so the blade length is 8.7 centimeters, which is 3.42 inches, and the blade width is 2.6 centimeters, which is 1 inch. The weight of the knife is 135 grams, and that is 4.76 ounces. As I previously mentioned, Ganzo will offer you different color variations on the scale and also the blade. So standard layout is black G10, orange G10, green G10, and carbon fiber. And then you have your variants with the black coated blade for maximum corrosion protection, because obviously also this knife and all previous Ganzo knives have 440C used on the blade. I have to mention that I really like that they are using a stone wash on this model and not those satin polished finishes. They are just smudges and thumbprint magnets, and it is really not good to behold. So obviously new logo there. This one has the old style logo because this is a older production model or knife. All new Ganzos will have somewhere on them the Firebird logo. Okay, so the locking mechanism on the knife is obviously like on the original, the Benchmade axis lock, and this will nicely open and close the knife, so it will keep it closed in the closed position and open in the open position. You have no detent ball inside. There are two omega springs inside that exercising pressure on this stud here. So if in some case one will snap, then you have the second one still inside and the lock will not fail. Just as a technical information, if the lock would fail, you would need to, in some miracle incident, you will have to lose a good portion of the blade part here when the lock is sitting. So it is really not a problem. So you can be assured that this lock will not fail on you. Okay, the hardware, I don't know if it is Loctited. I have not disassembled any of these knives, and if you would like, you can do it. It is up to you. The knife has full stainless steel scales aligners, sorry, and they are milled out for weight reduction, and that is really nice to see at this price point. So talking about the price, right now, so that is January 2018, you can buy this knife for around $18 on GearBest. I will provide you the link for it. And GearBest is really excellent for Ganzo, mainly because they will give you all sorts of flash sale options. So you just need to watch the site, and then you can get a nice deals. So sometimes they will give you 10, 20, 30, 40% off of the regular pricing. So definitely worth it. And let's face it, for under $20, nice knife, no problems there. Maybe only thing that I need to emphasize is that this is not a full carbon fiber scale. This is only a laminate, so you have just a few layers of carbon fiber on the top on a black G10 liner. So this is fairly standard in the production knife industry. If you don't know, also a big company like Spyderco is doing it on some of their knives, and those are $100+ knives. But yeah, it certainly will keep down the cost, but also give you the nice look, and it's fairly smooth. Should just keep that in mind. If you do hard work, I will strongly suggest just go with a regular G10, and that will be much better for you, because this could slip out of your hand if it comes in contact with viscous materials like some paint, blood, water, etc. Okay, safety first. So really nice, excellent design, mainly because of or thanks to Benchmade. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave comments down below. I will be more than happy to respond. And as always, have a nice day.